We are from the Beckman Catholic FFA chapter, and this is our Vet Science CDE practicum. We are going to be showing you how to properly fill a syringe for injection. My name is Kayla Boner, and I am the narrator.
Hi, I'm Jasmine Hager, and I'm the vet assistant.
My name is Abby Klosterman, and I'm the vet.
My name is Kylie Stensmeyer, and I'm the farmer.
So first we are going to begin by identifying the problem.
So today we are at the Blazer Clinic, and we have a client with us who has been having some problem with her cattle.
Yesterday I was out checking my calves and I noticed some of them have black leg. Could you guys help me out?
Sure, that should be an easy fix. All we'll have to do is give them 2 cc's of Clostridium, which should help solve your problem.
How much would I buy? How much would I need to buy? I have 47 head.
Well, 1 bottle, it's a live bottle. It can work on 50 head of cattle, so since you have 47, that should give you enough, if in case you make any errors.
So we are first going to look at the bottle to determine the amount of cc's we need.
Okay, so we have Clostridium, and here on the bottle, as I read, it says for cattle, I need 2 milliliters of Clostridium per each cattle.
Next, we are going to go wash our hands to make sure that everything is sterile.
And as we wash our hands, we always have to make sure we get into all the creases to get rid of all the bacteria. And to do this, to make sure we know we have gone long enough, we always sing the ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, and Z. So now that we finish saying the alphabet, we will dry our hands and then we will turn off the water with a paper towel to keep it sterile.
And as we're drying our hands, we want to make sure we dry them thoroughly so that when we place our gloves on our hands, they go on nice and easy because we don't want our hands to still be wet as we put our gloves on.
So now that we have the faucet turned off and our hands nice and dry, it'll be time to put on our gloves.
The next step that they are going to do is put on gloves.
So here we have sterile gloves to make sure we keep, in case we have any cuts or anything on our hands, we keep it sterile and don't have any problems with hurting cattle. So we will open our gloves. And we want to make sure we put these on properly and make sure they fit on right. So
Our gloves on, we can dispose of this.
And after they put their gloves on, they are now going to determine the correct size of syringe that they want to use.
okay, so here we have a 16 gauge 3/4 inch needle that is sterile and has not been used yet. So here's your needle. And we have a 12 cc syringe that has not been opened yet. So here's your syringe.
Would you be able to show me how do you set the syringe up?
Yeah, sure. So,
The first step that they're going to do is take the plastic syringe carefully out of the container without touching the tip of the syringe. They are then going to take the plastic covering off the needle and gently insert it onto the top of the syringe.
Well, this is a twist needle, so we have to make sure we twist it on, and then we'll pull it lightly to make sure it's secure.
And they will take the top of the covering off. She's going to hold the bottle in the palm of her hand in an upside down motion and gently stick the syringe into the bottle. She's going to then take out a little more than 2 cc's in case there's an air bubble, so there's room for 2. She'll then stick it straight up and gently remove the air bubble.
So now it's time to put on the cap.
Once the cap is on, the needle is ready. The syringe is ready to be given to the owner.
Do you have any further questions about how to fill a syringe properly for injection?
Will I need a new needle for every calf?
Yes, you will, and make sure you properly dispose of the needle after each use.
Would you be able to show me how to do that?
Yes, happily.
So since we don't want to waste any of the vaccine, first we are going to take off the cap, and then we will simply inject the Clostridium back into the bottle as to not waste any of the prescription. And then we will reinsert the cap and twist the needle off. That way you have removed the needle.
And then we will properly dispose of it into the
Sharps container.
sharps container.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so we will get a bag together and get you your colostrum and 50 needles for you so you can treat your cattle from black leg.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching our Vet Science Practicum on how to properly fill a syringe for injection.